garlic, put in there, spicy, hot pepper, a little bit, eggplant, palau eggplant, throw in there, pork skin, dump it over here, everything, go. What happened? Take off this eggplant, together, blend it. Sticky rice too. Oil, healthy oil. Put them together. Stir the chicken broth. Put a little bit chicken broth. Put a little bit fish sauce. One hand. Okay, almost done. Topping this spring onion. Here you have this. Delicious. And wait for sticky rice. Stir fry eggplant with pork skin. Delicious. Sticky rice done. Done. Have a sticky rice, steep sticky rice, whole grain, very healthy. And this is a stir fry eggplant with the pork skin. Delicious. What we you eat dip with this. Look at that. How delicious is that? Let's eat.